Hey guys, good day. How are you? It's your girl, Miss Debs. I'm sounding a little nasally because I'm still messing with this cold, but gotta get me through it. You already know. Giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ because he's so worthy to be acknowledged and praised on this day and any other day. Wouldn't you agree? Guys, because without him, there could be no me, no you, no us. Okay, so today, it's kind of cold in the house, right? You know, it's one of them chilly fall nights, and I'm the only one that up here have a cold upstairs. But my daughter and one of her daughters downstairs have it, and her fiance. So I'm like, okay, come on, let's put something nice and warm in our bellies to fill us up. Some of that good, hearty food, right? So I'm going to make a chili. My chili is going to consist of, I have ground beef, 80-20. I have fire roasted diced tomatoes. On top of that, I have a little of that consomme. You know that's the bouillon. It's a bouillon. It's tomato and chicken bouillon. We have the fire roasted diced tomatoes. I have a little green onion. I have one white onion chopped up. I have a small jalapeno pepper. I have all color different peppers in the bowl right here. Then I have a little salsa right there in this bowl. I have some Betty Crocker Bisquick cheese garlic flavor. I got that from the Dollar Tree. I have McCormick chili seasoning right here. I have some grated New York cheddar cheese. It's not even grated, I just crumbled it. Then I have some beans right here. For my seasoning, I'm going to top it with some cilantro. And then I'm going to put some cumin in it also. I have a pot of rice going. Let's get this party started, guys. Okay, guys, so I have my ground beef right here. I put in my cumin, cilantro, crushed red pepper, a little black pepper, and that consomme, which is the chicken and tomato-based bouillon. And what else did I put there? I got to add my garlic. I have my rice boiling back there. How's everybody doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. Having a great day. I'm having a great day. Just trying to get over this cold. All right. So now I'm going to add some garlic. Why didn't I try to get that out earlier, right? What is Miss Deborah doing? What is her doing? That's a teaspoon of garlic, but you know Miss Deb's and her garlic. So let's make it 2 teaspoons, okay? So I'm going to stir that up and turn it on the other side because you know I always use my meat frozen. And I just put water in the pan and it'll cook like that. And then this way it cooks out a lot of the oil too. You didn't know that, or did you? Hold on, guys. So guys, our meat is done. I'm getting ready to drain this. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add my different color peppers. My hands are clean. Then I'm going to add jalapeno peppers. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my fire roasted tomatoes. This is my Bisquick cheddar cheese bacon. My Bisquick cheddar biscuits. So I'm going to put this aside. Then I'm going to add the beans. That's like 1.5 cups of beans. I'm putting in 1/4 cup of salsa. Then I'm going to add my drained ground beef. Now, after this cook in this pan, I'm going to put it over in like my little Dutch oven pot. So we're just going to mix all this up, guys. Oh, that's all right. Then I'm going to add my McCormick chili seasoning. Going to incorporate that into my meat. Then I'm going to add some water. Get some tomato sauce. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm putting my tomato paste in here. This is a 6-ounce can. Then I'm going to put a 4-ounce can of tomato sauce. Be right back. So I'm adding a little more chili powder. I like this one right here from Trader Joe's. It just have a nice seasoning. Well, it's a seasoning, but it has a nice flavor. All right. So I'm going to let that cook for a minute. Then I'm going to transport that into the pot, and I'm going to add the biscuits on top. Okay, guys? All right. See you soon. Let me turn this down. Okay, guys. So you see my chili going. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Now I'm going to start putting my biscuits inside of the chili mixture. And I added a quarter teaspoon of sugar, guys. Trying to put it like to the edge so it'll all move in together and form like a topping. Now that packet said it makes 6 biscuits. Well, it's supposed to make 6 biscuits, so we'll see. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put the pot top on this. We're going to let it go for 15 minutes. Hopefully they should be done by then. Let's move that over some sort of. All right, guys. Now, guys, we're going to put the top on it. Let it go, like I said, for 15 minutes. I'll be back. So, guys, I'm just showing you inside the pot how it looks. It's coming along pretty good. I'm going to put the top on it. I'm just going to sprinkle a little cheese on top because that cheese is really potent. I don't know if it's like that because I'm thinking it's potent like that because I have a cold. But I'm just going to put a little bit of cheese on top of it, not a lot. All right, guys. Show you the final product in a minute. Okay, guys. So I put the cheese on top and the chives, which are the green onions. And I'm just going to, I was going to use fresh green onions, but you guys know I keep my vegetables in the freezer and they just didn't, they were too mushy, so I didn't want to do that. So I'm just using chives. So I'm going to put the pot top on this and I'll show you, I promise this time, the final results.